This is going to be a quick trip to the market from Princess Kaulani, the home that I have got on the market. As you can see, the windshield wipers are going because it's raining a little bit. Ready to turn left on Lotus Blossom. It's Lotus Blossom Lane. It's only about 3/10 of a mile to this little market down here, and gas station, bakery, delicatessen type place, as well as Ace Hardware. And you can see these tanks here, that's for water. There's the bakery. And now we're coming down the road a little bit to the other market and the post office. And there is the post office. Now I'll take you to the other shopping center. It's starting to rain pretty hard now. There's the market. There's lots of water tanks, and those up there for the laundromat. And that building way down there, that's the rental place. You can rent all kinds of goodies, even cart a yard of concrete if you so desire. And that place up there is a video rental shop that sells all kinds of knickknacks, and then there's a gas station as well. So that is the town of Ocean View. little bit more of town if you go east or west. Like there's a restaurant in both directions, actually, a Mexican restaurant to the right and a just a regular restaurant and bar to the left, about a mile. Anyway, I'm going back up to the little house we just left, so I don't believe you're going to want to watch a rerun of the whole thing.